Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Toys Unboxed. Today we're unboxing Num Noms. You guys ready to have some fun? Alright, let's get started. I got my sidekick Lexi here. She's going to help me figure out what's inside. This is the first one in Series 1. Oh, gotta be strong to open these. Oh. Cool.
Oh, Daddy, I think I got that.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I don't have the bottom. Let's see.
So this is cool. This one. Look at all of these Num Noms. There's a lot.
I think you have to turn it. This is turn.
Alright, it's on here. Cool.
That one's not on here.
We'll find it. We'll find it. Let's see. We've got a bow. What do you think? Well, we could probably spend a lot of time here. You think it's Lisa Lemon? Maybe it's Lisa Lemon.
Yeah, it's Lisa Lemon.
Yeah, let's go with Lisa Lemon. So that's the Num Nom.
And then there's a wrapper.
And then
so you might have to cut it.
Yeah, we're gonna keep the lip gloss inside.
Yeah.
But let's do that and stack them here. That was fun.
Then remove the paper.
Okay.
And just keep it over there. Just keep the papers over here when you take them out.
Alrighty. Whoa, we got a different one this time.
Oh, I think I know which one. It's that one. It's the orange. Then just throw the garbage on the ground. Just throw that on the ground.
This one smells really good.
Wait, Dad, we smelled that one, but I'm going to smell that one.
You want to smell it?
Yeah.
Alright, and then you could tell everyone what it is. What do you think?
Oh, I think it's good. It smells like cherry.
Yeah,
And
awesome.
This one's a cherry thing.
Okay.
I'm going to smell all of them.
It's really, really cool. This one is orange swirl because look, it smells like orange and that's orange swirl. So good job, Lex. And we'll put that over there. Let's open another one. I think we want to try to find some of the special ones like red velvet and cotton candy. Oop, this could be a special one.
Yay! Oh, it looks like chocolate. Which one is it?
Let's find out. It smells good.
I'm gonna smell it. Look at it. I can smell the lip gloss.
That one smells really good.
Oh, I think you have to figure it out. I can't find it.
If you kids at home are opening up Num Noms, make sure you're not using adult scissors. You want to use children's safety scissors, right?
Oh.
So let's see if we could find this one. It's got a white head. This looks like Betsy bubblegum.
Let me smell it.
All right, let's put Betsy bubblegum.
I have to smell it. It smells like bubblegum, actually.
Let's put Betsy bubblegum over here.
And then I'll smell the other rest.
All right, this is our fourth Num Nom.
Then just hand me the thing.
Oh, I think we got another one.
Oh, nuts. Then you don't have to open it. Daddy, then open.
Looks like it's the same exact one.
Wait, just open it so you can keep it. And if this.
It looks like Betsy bubblegum. All right, so we got 2 Betsy bubblegums, but that's okay because Betsy bubblegum smells so yummy. Very cool. Go ahead, Lexi. Smell Betsy bubblegum. Does it smell like bubblegum? Cool. Let's open this one. Hopefully it's a new one. Cool. This is the 5th one, so we're halfway there.
Ooh.
It's definitely a new one.
Yeah.
Let's see. It smells sort of chocolatey. What do you think it smells like, Lex?
I don't know. Let me smell.
Whoa. Let's try to figure it out. Which one matches? We're looking for someone with orange ice cream on their head, or I think someone bit her ear. Look at that. Someone took a bite out of her ear. I didn't do it. You know, I don't see her here. So, is it on the back? No, those are just recipes if you want to add a bunch of them together. I don't know if it matters to give her a name. We can make up our own name. And since she smells like chocolate, we're going to call her Orange Chocolate. Sound good? All right, Orange Chocolate it is. This is our 6th Num Nom.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. I think we hit the mother load of Betsy bubblegum.
No.
Looks like we got another Betsy bubblegum.
You just throw it on.
I'm not going to open this one. I'll leave it right here.
Yeah, and
We already know what's inside.
then we can open it a different time, right, Dad?
Right. Right, Lex. So, there's Num Nom. Number 7. Well, this looks like... This looks like the same exact one we just opened.
We don't open it.
Orange chocolate.
Don't open it.
Don't open it because we already know what's inside.
It's a mint on the bottom, not this one.
Oh yeah, it's a mint lip gloss.
Put it down.
Okay, I'll put it down. So that's cool. We got some doubles. Maybe you can trade with your friends. So let's be a different one. This is a different one because it's got a white. There we go. It's got a white head with orange sprinkles.
I think I know. It's that one.
All right, let's try to find out which one it
Let me
is.
smell. Let me smell. Let me smell.
All right, let's see what it smells like. What's it smell like?
Smells like that kind of fruit.
All right, let's try to match it up for everyone so they could figure out what we have. So, Oh,
Right on.
Mimi Mango. There she is. Right next to it. Mimi Mango. Awesome. All right, so 2 more. The last 2.
Different, please.
Let's try to get some different ones. So far we got 3 Betsy bubblegums, 2 orange chocolates, and then we got a Mimi Mango and a orange surprise,
I hope
a
it's
lemon something or other. There we go. So this one looks different. I wonder what this one is.
I think I know. It's. I don't.
This one's definitely
Let me smell.
different. Oh, I know which one this is. This one is right there on the corner. This is Nilla Cream. See? Lex, look. Nilla Cream. Perfect match. What do you think Nilla Cream smells like?
Cupcakes.
Smells like cupcakes. Awesome. And our last Num Nom.
I hope it's someone different.
Me too.
Got the same one.
So let's see which one this is.
That's
It looks like it's the same one as before, so we'll keep that one closed. So that was fun. That was a surprise. What do you think, Lex?
good.
Which one's your favorite?
I think all of them.
All of them are your favorite. Which one was your favorite smell?
The chocolate one and the bubble gum.
Yeah, so you have a couple favorites? That's great. Well, everyone, hopefully you had fun. Please go to the comments section and let us know what you'd like us to unbox next on Toys Unboxed. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our future videos. And give us a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll see you next time on Toys Unboxed.